Hi, this is Leo, and I'm going to show you real quick how to use Google Translate. Right now I'm on the Translate website, and I'll put a link in the description below, and it's actually pretty easy to use. So the first thing you'll want to do when you get here is come up to this box on the left side, and this is where you're going to type the word or phrase that you want to have translated. So let's go with my jacket is green. You can see that it's detected it's English, and over here it's showing it in English as well. So what I need to do is come to this little arrow, and when I click on that, it's going to show me all of the languages that I can have that translated into. So since I've been studying a little bit of Korean this year, I'm going to click on Korean, and now there's my translation, and I also have the option to save it to my phrase book. I can copy it, I can share it, and I can click on this icon here to listen to it.
내 자켓은 초록색이야.
At the same time, if I find text on a website and I'm not sure what it says, I can copy it, paste it directly into this box, and I already have something ready to go here. This is 안녕하세요. This is going to mean good morning or hello. But if I need to translate it, I need to click on the language I want to translate it into. So there's my translation, and I have the option to listen to either one. I can come over here and click the icon,
안녕하세요.
or I can come over to this side
Good morning.
and get the same thing. I can also translate the Korean into any other language. So let's go with French this time.
Bonjour.